Hi guys, how you doing? Okay, Scorpios. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you are happy and safe at your home. And also one more thing, guys. Um, let me talk about it. Today's topic is what are you releasing and what's coming up for you guys. Okay, so let's talk about it. But before that, if you want to make any donations, the donation link is given in the description box below. If in any case you want to support my channel, you can donate it. And if you want to book an one-on-one reading with me, you are welcome for that. And the details of the booking is given and also in the description box below, so you can book with along with the procedure explained over there. Okay, however, this is a timeless reading. Timeless means that whenever you are opening a video, either that thing will be happening at that particular point of time or else it will be happening in the upcoming weeks. Okay, so yes. And also one more thing, if you like this video, this is a general reading, so if this resonates with you, it's great. Okay, if it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, so yes, let's talk about it. The world card. Wow, I'm getting a lot of world card. The devil, you're okay. Seven of Pentacles, Two of Cups, Eight of Wands, Six of Wands, the Tower. My God, Page of Swords, Magician, Queen of Pentacles. A lot of major arcanas are there in your reading, guys. Okay, so let me talk about let's talk about career and relationship. However, if it resonates with you, you can take it either way. Okay, whatever. Mainly I feel that this is a kind of uh, you know relationship I'll be talking about. And here is Three of Wands. Okay, so you were holding back with a communication, with some sort of communication you were holding back in your own power in the past. You were not taking action about something, but you will be taking you in the upcoming weeks, I'm telling you guys. Okay, there is a kind of tarot moment happening for you guys. That means an ending of an old cycle and a starting of a new cycle, whether it's your career or a relationship. If you were not thinking about your money, and if know it was stuck up about something, you were thinking to make an action but not taking action. You were just you were just still on that particular thing. Now you will be in your power by taking action. If we talk about your love life. Okay, so there's a Two of Cups. That means an spiritual reunion is taking place for you guys. If there was a past lover for you guys, so an reunion is taking place, or a new person might be entering into your life if you are single. Okay, but there's an end of some sort of cycle. I preferably think that if you were in a separation with someone, that person is coming back into your life. Okay, so there's an end of world. You end of end of bad things, end of loss, pain, deception, end of every worst thing in your life, whatever you were going through till now. Okay, and there is some sort of communication will be taking place for you guys. There's a Two of Cups, a Lover's card is there, so that means that coming together in a divinely guided reunion. There is some sort of action is taking place in the upcoming weeks. The tarot moment, that means that demolishing of a bad situation or a cycle and establishing and rebuilding a new empire for you guys, whether it's in your career or in a relationship. Okay, Page of Swords, clarity and communication, jumping in, someone is rushing in into your life, or you are manifesting this connection. And you're manifesting some sort of, if we talk about career, then a lot of abundance is coming, money wise and materialistic wise. You're manifesting a lot of money into your life, because there is an end of some, if there were projects in the past which were stuck up, and money was stuck up by some sort of those things. because of this devil card and the world card and the tower card, I feel that those things are coming to an end, and starting of a new cycle is taking place, guys. Okay, starting of a new cycle is taking place, and you are manifesting lot of money, lot of abundance into your life, thinking to build up a career, financially stable, more stable, you know thinking about to build more better, thinking to build yourself better financially in the upcoming weeks. Okay, and you are planning, strategizing, thinking how to implement it. Okay, you are manifesting it actually in your head. Okay, and this will come true. Also, one more thing, guys, if when we talk about it in a relationship, if you were in a separation, if you were thinking about the about a relationship in the past, communication was not there, so a reunion is taking place for you guys. The past lover is coming back into your life, and someone is really rushing in fast into your life, because you have manifested. There is a card of manifestation. You were manifesting all the time, even if you think that you didn't, but you were manifesting that love into your life. Okay, and now either you or the other person will be taking action for you, and some sort of action is taking place for you guys in the upcoming weeks. Upcoming week seems to be really good, I feel. Okay, and some of kind of decision will be taking place, because there is three of wands. Okay, so some sort of decisions will be taking place for you guys. Okay, I hope this reading resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the YouTubers. Also, one more thing, kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye.